Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In order to reset your Insta feed, open your profile and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then you can see a bunch of options there. Scroll it down. There you can see an option called content preferences. Click on it. And then you can have some options. Click on the option called specific words and phrases. Here you can select the content type that you wanted to see the most in your feed. Here you can write the words from your favorite topics like politics, comedy, and the viral that you want to see in your feed. Click done to save it. Next, click on the sensitive content option. There you can see three options of content. First one is less sensitive content. The second one is standard type content. The third one is more sensitive content. Here you can see the more sensitive content in your feed all the time. If you select the more sensitive option, don't do anything here. Just click done and come back. For that, you need to click on the bottom option, reset suggested content. After that, there you will see an interface like this. Read all the lines carefully, and if you still want to reset, then click on the next button. After that, there you'll see some important instructions about your account. You can see all accounts that you're following list. The next one is the most showing content in your feed and its related accounts. Once you click reset button, you lose all your following, so keep that in mind and click the reset button. A pop-up will come up. Read it and click here. That's it. Thank you.